Hi, welcome you in our channel in magicboxproperty.com. This side Shantu and Ivar. Welcome in our channel. Today I am coming in Lake Town area, and you can see this is the Lake Town Jaya Cinemas. And today I'll going to show you a 2 BHK ready to move flat which is just located behind of the Jaya Cinemas. Okay, let's see. You can see I am just near front of this building, and this is the building. You can see exterior elevation of this building. Now I am showing you a 2 BHK ready flat which is situated at first floor of this building, and I am just entering into the premises. You can see this is the portion for lift and letter box are available. You can see this is the staircase, and now I am going towards the flat. It is first floor, I have already said. When I am entering into the flat, my front side is south and left hand side is east. I mean this side is east. So it's a southeast facing 2 BHK flat, and this is the first bedroom. This flat having super built area 850 square feet. You can see 12 into 10 square feet a master bedroom. This bedroom having attached washroom with attached balcony. The road facing balcony, you can see this is the balcony towards road facing, and this side is east. If you are new in our channel and watching this video first time, then I will request all of you, please subscribe this channel, because we will publish some more videos related property in this area or near about Kolkata. So that's why I will request all of you, please subscribe this channel and press on the bell icon. If we upload more property in future, then we will get notification and you can contact us. You can see the master bedroom's attached washroom, a standard size washroom with a hole for exhaust fan and a small window. This 2 BHK flat having total 2 bedrooms with a balcony and 2 washroom. Among them are attached one and a common one, and this side you can see a window which is towards road facing. You can see the outside road from this window. I have already said it is 12 into 10 square feet bedroom. Now you can see this is the dining area. The size of the dining area is approx 13 into 10 with a big size window, a sliding window. You can see this side is southeast. It is a freehold and loanable property. You will get bank loan if you will purchase this flat. Now I am moving towards the second bedroom, and the bedroom size is approx, you can see 8.5 into 9.5 square feet, and you can see a window which is south and east facing in this bedroom. At Lake Town areas, Tala tank supply water which is really famous in Kolkata. Purified water supplied by Tala tank. At Lake Town areas you have seen 2 bedroom with dining and a washroom. Now I am showing you a common washroom, a long washroom. You can see Lake Town is famous for location. You need 25 minutes to reach to Dum Dum Airport, Daffodil Hospital, nearest market, and the main road is just behind of this flat or building. This is the kitchen area and the slab area done by granite, and this kitchen having a window. I can say this is a compact 2 BHK flat for a small family who is just searching for a flat near Lake Town, near Jaya Cinemas. For them, this flat can be best option. And now I'm exit from this flat. This side is north and west. Now I go to the roof and showing you outside view from this building. It's a standalone G+5 building, a freehold property and loanable property. I've already said. You can see the outside view from this building. It's really beautiful. If you are interested to purchase this flat, you can contact us. Bengali, non-Bengali, Marwari, everyone are welcome. If you will purchase this flat, you can contact to our below number, which is already given to the description box. If you would like to buy this flat, you have to pay 38 lakhs without car parking for this flat. You can see the VIP road clock tower. 3 minutes by car you can reach from your building to the clock tower. I hope you understand the location and the other informations about this flat. For more inquiry, you can contact us or you can visit this site. For more property, you can search www.magicboxproperty.com or you can contact on this number. And please subscribe this channel and share this video and like it. Thank you so much.